Let's compare the Keurig K-Mini coffee maker to the Nespresso machine. So this is the Keurig K-Mini. It uses Keurig K-cups, and it's a single serve. So you put the K-cup in here, close it, and there's a little water reservoir. You have to fill the reservoir with water every time you make a cup of coffee or tea or whatever you're making. So you have to basically fill your cup, pour the water in here, put in your pod, press the button, and in about 2 minutes, it's going to brew your coffee or tea or hot chocolate from that K-cup. Now, the Nespresso machine, on the other hand, similar in that it also uses a single serve. In this case, instead of a K-cup, though, it's a Nespresso pod. And you place that inside of the coffee maker in much the same manner. But one big difference is that this machine has a water reservoir you can fill, and it will have enough water for many, many cups of coffee or espresso here. So, that's definitely a benefit. You don't have to be filling up the water reservoir every single time. I also find that the Nespresso machine makes your espresso faster, takes less time to warm up and actually produce that cup. So it's better if you're going to be making espresso for a bunch of people. The downside, though, is that the Nespresso machine really just makes espresso, versus the Keurig K-Mini, you can make, again, tea and hot chocolate, anything where there's a K-cup for it. The other difference is that this Nespresso machine has a milk frother on the front, so if you want to make a latte, you can steam milk right on there, which you can't do with the K-Mini. Overall, both are really great options if you want to make yourself a nice cup of coffee or anything for the morning.